Hey guys, Spider1979 here. Just gonna bring to you today a quick video just showing you guys a product that you should avoid, and if you can, just not use it. So basically this is something to renew or redo your molding. So silicone a ring around your bathtub, or silicone just to place it around your bathtub, some caulking. So you caulk like new. No, that's not the case, and I'll just show you why, guys. I basically use this bottle, and I just ended up just taking off the entire thing so you guys could see the mess it made. And this thing is not intuitive and not easy to use, and I'm a pretty DIY guy. And guys, the main reason why I think you should avoid this is because you can see in the picture right there how it applies, and it's not that easy, guys. This thing doesn't have any control. The material inside is just stuck on the top, and you have to constantly shake it and press it. And having to press it like that, it doesn't give you a good feedback, and it doesn't give you a good constant stream of silicone or caulk just to put on your seam. So even though there's a little spatula tool in there, there's no control. It would be 10 times better if it was a syringe type, and you had a syringe and you could place it and then follow it, because you could apply constant pressure. But just that squeeze method and having to shake it down and continues and just go back, it just makes a mess. And I did pretty much all of my bathtub, and I just had to remove it all, and this is a pain to remove because this thing is acrylic, special silicone, so this is not real silicone. I would just try to go, guys, with 100% silicone, just a silicone tube and a caulking gun. So that's just the best way. Believe me, this is for the money you're gonna invest. You're gonna pay like maybe $5 more for the caulking gun and the caulking tube, but you're gonna have more silicone, and you're gonna have a tool that you will be able to reuse for different things in the future. So that's why I suggest avoiding this thing, and just get yourself a caulking gun and a tube of silicone, bathtub silicone that dries in 30 minutes. That thing doesn't dry really fast, guys. It just takes a little bit of while to dry, and you have to leave it, and it's not waterproof. Compared to some other silicone, they are waterproof within 30 minutes, so you can do the job real quick and just be on your way. So I just want to put the information out there. If you're thinking of buying this product because you see it in stores and you're thinking that's a good idea, guys, it's not. It's just not a good idea, and believe me, you're gonna make a mess, and you're gonna have to start over, or it's just gonna be a pain. Unlike real silicone, this thing is just not malleable. It's hard to take off, and it just gonna make a mess, guys, and it's just gonna be hell to try to take off if you make a mistake. So compared to real silicone, guys. So yeah, I just want to put the information out there. So I've been meaning to do this video for a while, and I just said that that's pretty much the right time. So since I need to make a 365 video this year, I'm gonna kick myself in the butt and just make a shitload of videos, guys. But yeah, this product, this is not like in the picture. This is not that easy, and this is just a gimmick, and this is something that it's like you see on TV, but it's not really doing anything. So I would avoid it, guys. Just pass it up, and just get yourself a caulking gun and a silicone tube, and just watch a couple of videos on how to do it on YouTube. You might need a little tool, a little spatula, corner spatula, just to apply the silicone, but this is going to be 10 times easier, guys, and you won't make a mess as much as you're going to make a mess with this thing. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little information video. If you appreciate it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.